So I'm in the middle of painting a small area of a wall in my bathroom, and I wanted to show you this touch-up paint that I'm going to use. I got this from Amazon Vine and it is in the color white. So what you get in the box is 2 sets of paint. You get a glossy white and a matte white. It's a very straightforward kit. You also get 2 brushes in 2 different sizes, plus a small silicone cup that you can use to hold your paint. Another thing I like is that it comes with both matte and gloss finishes, because not every white surface in a home is the same type of white or the same finish. So having both options makes it a whole lot easier to match different areas around the house. You pretty much have everything you need with this kit to get started. You have your 2 brushes, your silicone cup, and the paint itself. It goes on smoothly, dries up pretty quickly, and it helps cover little scratches or marks and touch up areas really well. You can use this on walls like I am, on cabinets, furniture, wood, metal, tiles, honestly a lot of different surfaces. And I also like that it is water-based, and they do state that it has low odor, but honestly I cannot smell anything. So no paint smell at all, and that's really good, especially if you're using this in a home where you have kids. So I'm definitely happy with this stuff. I'm recommending it. It's a very decent sized kit, worth having in your home.